Follow the steps on how to make a background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. Create a rectangle. You can follow this size. Set it to black without stroke. Press A and select both corners, then move them up using the arrow keys. Duplicate to the side. Position it like this. Make sure these corners are aligned. Select all and unite. Press A and select only this part. Select shear. Set the horizontal shear angle. Select and insert the object into the Brushes panel. Select Pattern Brush. Change it to tints. Delete this. Create a circle. Press this to change the fill to stroke. Select the brush. Change the stroke weight to be smaller. Place it here. Select. Go to Effect and select Transform. Set it like this. Go to Object and expand Appearance. Adjust the position. Activate Trim View to hide the outside of the artboard. Change the pattern to white. Now create a rectangle above it. And fill it with dark blue. Send it to the back. Select all and press Ctrl 2 to lock it. Create another rectangle above it. Change the mode to multiply. Fill it with a gradient. Press G to display the gradient bar. Adjust the angle. Press Ctrl Alt 2 to unlock so you can readjust the position. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.